People with homes for 1.25 billion, whose lives run in 25 states and provinces, speaking different languages and practicing different faiths, where zero got birth, came to be known as zero to the world, where Gautam Buddha blissed with enlightenment. And this is the same great country, India, and the people of this country who designed, developed, and perfected the numerical relay technology completely indigenously and independently at Ashida. Ashida are the designers and manufacturers of electrical power protection relays and SCADA systems. More than 500,000 electrical power protection relay monitoring key electrical installations all over India and abroad. The birth, 1970. This was the year when Mr. Manohar Kulkarni and S.D. Naik started Ashida, which has become the first company and their first unique product, emergency tube lights, simultaneously started manufacturing of geoengineering instruments and water management instruments, which have been named as Soil Resistivity Meter and NDT, Instrument for Civil Engineering. With the dawn of the year 1984, Ashida outshined with the start of the development of static protection relays for electrical utility indigenously. Ashida's journey continues, and as it reaches 1994, where Ashida got converted into a private limited company. In the same era, Ashida strived further by designing the ultra-modern DSP-based numerical relays. The products to serve the power sector, Ashida offers indigenously developed products. They are distance protection relay, transformer protection relay, motor protection relay, feeder protection relay, capacitor protection relay, RMU protection relay, traction protection relay, SCADA system with hardware and software. All the products are periodically type tested for their vital parameters with the Central Government Laboratories India, that is IDEMI, ERTL and CPRI. All these relays conform to IEC 60255, IEC 61850, IS 3231 and IS 8686 1987 and other relevant standards. Salient features of the products. Numerical protection relays. Numerical relay has a large number of protection functions and has the latest DSP technology. The unique programmability allows the user to form its own logic suitable for existing site conditions. This saves a lot of wiring and panel space and becomes very cost-effective. The relay has open communication protocol which allows monitoring the substation remotely. With unique features of the product, Ashida serves the Indian railway sector by providing the complete range of traction protection relay, required in 25 kV AC traction system. After perfecting DSP technology in the firmware of Ashida relays, we have also concentrated in the aesthetic looks and attractiveness of the relays, which gave the birth of the Aditya series, which are very popular among the user, and all above range of relays also been manufactured in Aditya cabinet. SCADA system. To give the solution for substation automation, Ashida provides a very important tool to monitor power system effectively. Ashida has developed a very versatile SCADA system software which can communicate with a variety of relays with the help of RTU, IED relays and FRTU, having different protocols such as IEC 60870-5-103 or 101, DNP3, Modbus, and the latest IEC 61850. infrastructure facilities and resources. Ashida, located in the Wagle Industrial Estate of Thane West, within a distance of 25 kilometers from the airport and 50 kilometers from Nhava Sheva Port, which is the prime industrial belt of India, having 3 manufacturing units spread across 50,000 square feet. Unit 1, the Corporate Office. Equipped with anti-static flooring for modern electronic labs, it has a spacious marketing department. Apart from this, we have accounts, HR, and for our client satisfaction, we have a huge after-sales service department with qualified engineers spread all over India. Again, to give our customer innovative and advanced products day after day, we have a huge and elaborate floor given to the R&D laboratories. We at Ashida always think and work on products with better technical performance, reliability, accuracy, cost-benefits ratio, and multifunctionality to work under any severe environmental conditions of the world. Ashida has its in-house electronics research and development laboratory for development of static and numerical relays and SCADA, which is the strongest point in comparison to its competitors. For this, Ashida got many awards, to name a few. National Award for Research and Development in Small-Scale Industries from the Vice President of India, Indian Merchant Chamber Award in the year 1997 for outstanding contribution in original research and discovery in science and technology. Received award from Government of Maharashtra, Industries Department for outstanding performance in information technology. To achieve the perfection in our equipment, we have the laboratory which is well equipped with development tools for designing of circuit diagram and PCB layout. All major CPU suppliers like Texas Instruments, Analog Devices, etc. periodically visit Ashida Lab and provide them various embedded software tools for the latest development, which are always being perfected by trying them on ultra-modern simulators. It also has power system simulators and software tools to simulate various power system conditions of the faults. Unit 2, which is the modern manufacturing unit whose process starts with the understanding and setup of anti-static facility. The production area is completely equipped with the anti-static flooring and the anti-static furniture with proper wrist belts, etc. to protect the relay from the static energy, which may create the problem in the operation of the relay after some span of time. Then the quality check procedure starts, where all the raw material is minutely and critically examined and sent to the store. From the store, it reaches the printed circuit board assembly at the subcontractor end. The assembled and tested PCBs come to the assembled PCB stores. The PCBs get checked again before reaching to the mechanical assembly stage. The mechanical raw material reaches the mechanical assembly stage from the stores. Then the mechanical assembly starts tightening up all the screws and fitting the PCBs with the front fascial of the relays. The relay assembly goes for the visual inspection of the fittings. The stage-wise label is put on the assembly, duly signed by the mechanical assembler and given for further process to the wiring stage. The internal wiring of the connectors and CTs, etc. is being done in this stage. After completion, the wiring gets checked by the wiring supervisor, who signs the stage-wise label for wiring stage. The assembly is then forwarded to mechanical fittings and thereafter for testing and calibration stage. The calibration is done in the initial testing stage and then the relay goes for testing as per the test report. After testing, the serial number will get assigned to the relay and put on the stage-wise label. The testing engineer will sign the label and forward it to the mechanical fitting stage. The record gets entered in the computerized ERP system. The enclosure will get fitted and the terminal stickers put on the relay. After inspecting the relay for fittings and signing the stage-wise label by the mechanical assembler for the mechanical fitting stage, the relay is forwarded for endurance test. In the endurance test, the relay is kept in the operating condition continuously for 16 hours, which is 2000 operations in its life cycle. After completion of the endurance test, the relay gets inspected and forwarded for insulation test. After taking the insulation test, the relay is forwarded to the final test. The test results are cross-checked again in this stage, and all the markings, stickers will get checked properly. After successfully passing the stage, relay is then forwarded to the outward QC. Outward QC, which is independent of the production department, checks the relay again and compares the results with the test reports. It also checks the aesthetics of the relay and puts the QC pass sticker on the relay. The relay will then get forwarded along with the test report to the packing department for packing. The packing person will pack the relay in the corrugated boxes with the operational manuals and the test report. Then it will go for final dispatch. Unit 3. Specially designed for railways and EHV control and relay panels. Export. Ashida management follows very stringent quality norms, which has resulted in them getting the Best Quality Award from EMA successfully for the past 3 years. This has opened the gates for exports. Different countries like Dubai, Italy, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, etc. are giving repetitive export orders. Similarly, CBI, a Netherlands government organization, shortlisted Ashida for contract manufacturing for European countries. The future. We aim to continuously develop new systems and products. With that, we update quality and competitiveness of the existing products for the domestic and international market. In the present scenario, due to globalization and market recession, the market price of some of the fast-moving products has dropped. At the same time, the expectation of the customer regarding product technology has increased. To meet the high expectation of the customer, Ashida now designs indigenous products to contribute in the upcoming smart grid technology. Recently, Ashida on self-power protection and automation is accepted and will be presented in the world's topmost IEEE PES exposition, Orlando, Florida, America. We are committed to develop, produce, supply and service equipment and software systems conforming to high-quality standards with an aim of improving the client's system efficiency with better cost-to-benefit ratio. We will nurture an ethically managed organization. We will not exploit our customers, employees, suppliers, government and society and nature. Ashida salutes India with our self-reliance in high-tech numerical technologies.